Hi, hello everybody. Today we're looking at an amazing property on Envigado. Right at the bottom is an enclosed gated community. This is a detached unit, so it's a great area, just so you know. This is an area called San Lucas. It's beautiful. Now this unit is very special. We're gonna go see later on the since we don't have any round of the house, we're gonna go see the common areas, which are amazing. We're gonna see them in a minute though. So let's go look at the house. This is the property that we're looking at today though. That home is just a gorgeous house. Now let's go inside and look at the house. Beautiful white ceramic floors, beautiful open spaces. Check out these beautiful open spaces with an open kitchen, and look at the backyard. That's just beautiful. Check it out. Actually, this house is actually very special. We have a space in the back for a little dollhouse. We also have a space for the barbecue, which is great though. Look at all these beautiful spaces. Now, and look at the house inside. It's just beautiful. Now, remember, we are on Christmas mode, so these videos are gonna be a little bit Christmassy in these houses that we film right now. Look at this. Beautiful spaces. It's a doghouse, and I love doghouse. Beautiful kitchen, open spaces. Look at all this light. Now we're in the second floor of this home. Right here, as you can see, we have a little studio. Everything is nice and white, just so you know, and 3 bedrooms. Now let's go look at the bedrooms. Let's go in. Now we're gonna go and see the common areas in this unit. These common areas are actually amazing. They're really great. They're inside a little forest. Check this out. So we go through here, and wicked wooden bridge, and we go into the common areas. Check it out. See all this bamboo? I think it's amazing. So wicked wooden bridge. So this is a unit that you're gonna see. It's got a lot of stuff. It's got everything for your kids. We got a little basketball court, little soccer court, play area for the kids. Right here we have the gym, Turkish sauna, and the pool at the top. Now we're gonna go and see the pool. Buenas. And let's go see the pool right here. We have the pool area right here. Nice big pool area. Sauna, Turkish. See right here? It's wicked. And we have the sauna right there, the W right here, and the Turkish bag right here. Yeah, and obviously the shower. Now we can actually, there's another exit through here. So there's 2 ways to get there. And now we go. Well, this is it for now. My name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you want to see something else. And that's it. See ya.